I am going to be making cheese scones today for my bingo night buffet. The flour. The scales on. And 12. That's all the flour I have. Keep a little pot rolling out, so I'll put 13 ounces of flour in there. There's a lot of dust off that flour. Put that over there. Need to get the and I'm putting 1.5 spoonfuls of baking powder. That's 13, that's 6.5 ounces of, no, 6, 3.25 ounces of fat or margarine. .2 3.4, a little bit more. .5. Oh, a little bit salt. I'm putting a pinch of salt in. Mix that baking powder in. Putting the breaking the margarine up into little bits, easier to rub it in. Before I get my hands all messed up and doing that, I'm going to grate some cheese. Put that to one side. And I'm going to want about 5 ounces of cheese. Oh, I think I'm going to use the other side. It's going to take ages with that side. It's 2.3. Do some more. 2.5. That's 5. That's my 5 ounces of cheese. Put the cheese away. Away. Lots of scales out the way. There's lots of bits of cheese on the table here. Mix it in. Over there. There. Table it. Wait. Like that. Now I'm going to rub the fat in. And you never seen me doing this before I started, but I did wash my hands before I started. Trouble with this soft spread, it's not real butter, it's spread, and this margarine, and very soft. And the fat's sticking to my finger, and I'll have to wash my hands again. Right, I'm going to mix the cheese in now. Yeah, and I've left a little bit in there. I'll put on the top of the scones when they're I need. I've got to mix that in now. Mix it in evenly. Put a little bit in the bag for putting in the little thing for putting the flour on the table. That's it then. Next, need some milk now to mix in. I'm going to wash my hands now. A rounded knife. Now them ones is better with a round edge for mixing. I don't measure how much milk, I just add some and so it's right. As much milk as I need. Very soft dough. Have a little bit of flour in there, I'll put a bit more in. Should be over that flour a little bit of that left. Already done that. I've got my 2-inch cutter. The size I'm making the scone. I'm going to push this scones over there. The brush for the milk afterwards. Good. Flour on the table. That's worked it all in well, I think. More. Should be thick enough. Some flour on the tray. Should do for that. Get rid of the bowl. Tray there. Oh no. 2. One extra. Well, that's 13 and a tiny little bit. I'll just put that on. hands a wipe. Set the oven at 220. It should take about 15 minutes. I'm going to put some milk on the scones first. That's the milk. Now I'm going to put this little bit of cheese I left, put a little bit on the top of each one. Yeah, so that's my cheese scones going into the oven now for about 15 minutes. That's 22, 5-2, around about 5-2 they should be ready. I'm using my Sunday dishcloth now. It's not my Sunday dish one, the one I did from the Peyton's yarn. It's an everyday one now. Wiping the table down. That's it. There's my scones. Nice 13's, not a nice number. Well, it's a baker's dozen, isn't it? But that tiny little bit, I forgot to open the door and take it out before it got too well done. It's probably hard as rocks now. So that's my scones for tonight. I'm going to let them cool down and then I'll put a little bit of butter on. But I'm going to eat this little bit. Oh, it's only inside. It's only a little bit. And that outside, that's a little bit crispy. Even if I do say it myself, I make lovely scones. I know when I take them to bingo tonight, I'm going to get one myself before they all go. Because that's what happened the last time. I didn't even get one. They were all flaming scoffed before I had a chance for one. So, that's my little bit for today. Thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll show you something else I might do one day. Bye for now.